as you can tell by the title, I was the fortunate person to come across my car being stolen. This is the second time now in 3 years I've had a car stolen, and it's great. So I guess I'll document the process of finding it. We saw I was missing at 1:30 a.m. and maybe I can get a video out of this. If not, this will be a reminder of how great this car was. I had it for about a year and she's been through some shit. It's my first Honda and I fucking loved it. So my car got stolen. My 99 Honda Civic got stolen from in front of our house. There is a video of me installing a kill switch on it. And I did not have the time to run and hide the switch, so it was just coiled under the dash. So the irony of me installing a kill switch and then 2 days later it gets stolen. Loved it. Well, it's been a few hours. Can't sleep, of course, so if it wasn't shitty enough my car got stolen. Went to go lay down back in bed and my dog pissed in my bed, so unfortunately this is super common around here. And this is my second car to be stolen in about 2 years, 2-3 years. I got a call last night that it's in a parking lot and that the cops were watching it. They didn't jump on it right away to recover because apparently they have a good idea who it is how he worded it. And they're pretty ruthless. We got another call a little later and they asked for permission to take it and do fingerprints and all that. I guess when they were going through, they called me back and said, do you smoke? Are there any drink containers in there that were yours? I'm working on like 4 hours of sleep in the last 48 hours, so trying my best. I said, no, I don't smoke, I don't do any of that, so they're happy, good with that. And I guess when they were just getting ready to drive it back to whatever facility, they looked in the center console and they called me back and they said, so, that is fucking funny. You're missing your phone. Apparently, some fucking dummy was in there, smoking the hell out of my Civic and drinking and fucking left his phone in there, which is fucking hilarious. So, a couple hours later, I got a call from the forensics team. He mentioned that if you found blood on the inside, would it be mine? And I said no. And he said, Kate, good. If we found blood on the hood and under the hood, would that be mine? And I said no. He said, Kate, these are good answers. To which I said, is there fucking blood in my car? And he said, yeah. So there's blood on the steering wheel, blood on top of the hood and under the hood. And at the same time, they found jumper cables in the back seat. That's funny for two reasons. First reason, I'd like to think that the guy was so fucking dumb he hurt himself boosting another car. So that's funny. The second reason I love that is if you're trying to boost any car in Canada in the winter, the last car in the world I would choose would be a tiny fucking Honda Civic to boost anything. Like a truck battery, that would take 20 fucking minutes for that baby alternator to spool up and get some current going, whatever. So they left their booster cables, they left their phone, they bled all over my steering wheel, bled under the hood. They said in a couple days I would get a phone call back and I'd be able to pick up my car. I was like, do I have to pay any fees or anything? They're like, no, you should be fine, I was like, cool. Whatever, I'm hoping this is the break in their case or something. They get the guy they want. So that's good and all. So I got a call like 10 o'clock a.m., so like 10 minutes ago, from the impound lot, and they said, we have your car, it's ready to be picked up. Is it drivable? Like if I show up, because it's across the fucking city, of course, if I show up, am I able to drive it home? And she said, I have no idea. I was like, well, that's fucking handy. Kind of an important piece of information, you would think. So, don't know if I can drive it. So I don't know if I should take my keys or my screwdrivers and just fucking stick one of those in there and turn it. But I guess I'm able to pick up my car. Curious if they just left like fingerprint dust everywhere from looking for fingerprints, or you know, if there's a fucking triple homicide in the back seat or something. So I mean, yeah, I don't know. That car was spotless. I have some pictures I can throw up of the interior right before it got taken. So we'll see what we're gonna get. Exterior sounds fine. Interior sounds fucking shady. Bad news is I don't want to get super AIDS or fucking super gonna herpet crabs and fucking get pregnant sitting in there from dirty methy fucking buddy. Alright, well, good and bad news. Good news is it's currently running. Bad news, it's currently running like shit. And they absolutely fingerprinted everything, which I'm happy about. However, what I'm not happy about is that. I can't even explain the smell. And if I get in a crash, I'm gonna fucking shotgun my knees off this thing. Fuck, she's not happy. Alright, fucking, I don't want to touch nothing with all this blood. See if she gets home. Alright, this smell in here is fucking terrible. So we got camber, and this steering is fucking weird. My alignment's shit now. They fucking hit it off something. My fenders popped out. Bumper's hanging off. Steering wheel doesn't straighten anymore. Hopefully if you guys find your cars, they aren't this bad. I got a lot of arts and crafts to clean up. This fucking fingerprint dust is everywhere. My seat's fucked. This thing is riding like shit. The steering column is broken right off. So I got a fucking driver. Let's fucking see if it makes it home. It wouldn't shift into gear, which, not worried. I got a new engine, but it's not fucking happy. There's blood all over the hood too. I'm not too thrilled about that. We found a glow stick we kicked out. Oh fucking Christ, this, oh. Fuck me. This thing is fucked. Fucking suspension noises. It shifting weird as fuck too. Alright, on. My flashing D4's back, so we got us a fucking dashboard party, boys. So it's pulling to the left. It's got fucking mean bump steer. If I am able to get up to any speed, there's a screaming that goes on. 60 is about the highest I can go. And we've now come to 2 red lights. And when they go green, it doesn't fucking move, so I have to bang shift it through the gears, and sometimes we'll move. It's going about as good as you would think it would. I don't have 4th gear, it keeps stalling and dying, so I have to stay in 3. I put in 4, it's a neutral. So we only have 3 speeds now, that's great. Sucks, like a week before I just got running, 2 days before it got stolen, I just put a kill switch in, but I didn't have time to run and hide it yet, so it was sitting right under the dash. It didn't take much work to find, but it doesn't matter because I used a hammer to blow my steering column apart anyway. So looks like we're going ahead with the engine build, the B16, sooner than I thought. She's pretty much dead. It's got 2 neutrals now, doesn't drive. They crashed the front left corner into something, so I got work. So got a little emotional looking back. It's just money, no one died, but it's fucking frustrating. Especially I did a lot of work on that thing, rebuilt the engine and everything. So there goes its daily driver status. It sounds like we're going B16 with standard trans, eventually turbo, and even more eventually slicks and nitrous in my sedan. So, thanks for watching. If you like Civics, there's some shit coming up. There's some shit coming up for sure.